Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little Oreo cookies. They are made out of 3 pieces and they are all made the exact same. So we're going to start with the white one and we're going to make our cream and then we're going to make the 2 outside cookies. So I'm going to show you that right now. I have a F-hook or a 3.75 millimeter and some worsted weight yarn. So we are going to start with our white. And all we're going to do is start with a magic circle. Or you can chain 3, and then do this in the first chain. But I am going to chain 1, and then I'm going to do 12 double crochets in the magic circle. 1, 2, and then 12, and then I'm just going to go ahead and tighten my circle, and then I'm going to slip stitch to the top of my first double crochet. And then to do the next part here, we are going to chain 1, and we're going to do 2 single crochets around, so you'll end with 24 single crochets. 2, 3. Okay, so there's my 24, and then we'll slip stitch to the top of our first single crochet. And that is the pattern for both the cream and the 2 cookies. So I will show you what I do to put it together. I'll cut my yarn, sew in my ends, and then we will hot glue them together. Okay, so I have my hot glue gun. It is ready to go. And all we're going to do is do a ring here. And I like to put them together. And we'll flip it over and do another ring of hot glue here. And I always like to make sure that my right sides are out on my cookie. And then if you like to, you can do another ring around the edges here, or just do like a couple dots here and there to hold the edges down. All right. And there we are, and now you have a cute little Oreo cookie.